Stargazing is mostly about patience, but sometimes you just want the universe to open up wide the second you look through the glass. That is basically the exact pitch of this massive 2-inch piece of optics from Celestron. Stepping up to an 82-degree apparent field of view completely changes how space feels. Instead of looking down a long, narrow tunnel like you are peering through a cardboard tube, you get this huge, immersive window where your eye just floats in the starlight. Now, at over a pound, this thing carries some serious weight. You are definitely going to notice the extra heft on the back of your telescope, and balancing your rig might take a tiny bit of extra effort. But what stands out, though, is how solid it feels. The polished anodized aluminum barrel looks sharp, and Celestron wrapped a chunky rubber grip right around the middle. Honestly, that grip makes a huge difference when you are fumbling around in the dark with thick winter gloves on. You twist it to raise or lower the retractable eye cup, which is way smoother than those annoying fold-down rubber flaps that always seem to tear or get lost. Optically, it brings 6 fully multi-coated glass elements to the party, and the views are wonderfully crisp right out to the edges. Stars stay tight and pinpointy without falling apart into weird shapes near the boundary, which can ruin a good observing session fast. Another neat trick is that the whole lineup is parfocal. So yeah, once you find your focus, you can swap this in and out with other focal lengths in the series without having to endlessly crank the focuser knob back and forth. The bottom barrel is threaded too, so dropping in your favorite lunar or nebula filters takes 2 seconds. Of course, that heavy 1-pound glass chunk isn't going to be everyone's favorite travel companion, especially if you're trying to keep a lightweight grab-and-go setup. But for anyone craving deep, immersive spacewalks without spending 4 figures on ultra-premium glass, this unit hits that sweet spot between luxury views and everyday reliability.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.